Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to easily delete friends on Snapchat, so let's jump right into it. First we go ahead and open Snapchat and then tap on the Bitmoji on the top left corner of the screen. Once you're here, just go ahead and scroll down until you find My Friends, tap on it. It will take you to the list of friends you have on Snapchat. Now you can scroll down to find the friend that you want to remove, or you can tap on the search bar on the top. Let's say I want to delete this one right here. I tap and hold. A small menu will pop up from the bottom. Tap on Manage Friendship and then tap on Remove Friend. A window will pop up, tap on Remove, and just like that you have removed that friend. You can even tap on the profile of the one you want to delete. Tap on the three dots on the top right corner and then tap on Manage Friendship and do the same. Tap on Remove Friend, tap on Remove, and that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.